Hey guys, welcome to Forex Family Empire. We're back again with another video. It's your boy K Smalls. Yeah, guys, it's time for NFP. As you all know, 7th of October, we're going to kill it. Let's get right into it without wasting any time. I'm going to analyze US30 for now. Let me see. Maybe I can start on weekly time frame and see what's happening. So, as you all know, guys, we always identify our highest point and the lowest point. So, here's our highest point. I just want to do this in a quick view, guys. Let's go. Where's our lowest point? Maybe I can use this one as my lowest because this was a huge rejection. As you can see, it gave us a big movement here, and then we see we've broke below it. So we might be seeing a push to the downside even more. But yeah, let's see what we're gonna see on this thing. So I'm gonna be mentioning all the key points that I see here. This is the other one that I'm seeing at the moment. Here's another one on a weekly time frame. So I think maybe we can move to the lowest time frame, which is the D1, guys. So on the D1, let's see what I can see. I'm seeing a falling wedge, guys. So you guys know what happens in a falling wedge. So, but this is a bigger time frame. We'll be breaking it down. I'm just gonna draw it like this. So here, that's where we got our falling wedge. And what can we see on this falling wedge? We only touched one, two to the top side on our resistance side, and our support side, we touched it for like one, two as well. And we are going to the verge of touching it for the third time. And we know that when we touch it for the third time, we're going to be seeing a 90% rule where we're seeing a bounce. So we need to identify where that bounce is going to happen, guys. So I think I'm seeing another zone when I move to this 30 minutes day one chart. This is another zone that I'm seeing, which is this one, and we're seeing it is broken, guys. It's broken, this zone. We need to see another one. Here's another one. Remember, we're still on a daily time frame, guys. We're gonna be breaking this thing down. So after looking at the daily time frame, I'm just going to identify this one as well, but it's too far. And I'm gonna just put this one as well here. That's too far, but you know, we are preparing for NFP. We just need a fast movement here. So I'm gonna move to H4. As we can see on our H4, guys, this is what we have. Um, I'm just going to zoom in a little bit and see what's happening on our H4. So this is our zoomed graph. On our H4, I'm going to draw a zone that I like here because this is the zone that I'm seeing. We saw a rejection on this level. It gave us a fake out actually. So on this level, remember we put this line there from our D1 and weekly time frames. So we saw this thing breaking it to the upside, but came back inside it to come and take them out. So I'm regarding this as our biggest zone here. So this is the biggest zone. And then right now I'm going to do the lowest zone as well. Remember, we had a line here as well. So you can regard that as a zone as well. So here, can we regard this as a breakout or we're going to be seeing a sell? Because if this is a breakout right now, we are expecting a sell right now as the market is moving. So if this trade is a sell, how are we going to calculate the TP? So the TP of this trade is will be calculated like this, guys. So you take the top of your zone until the bottom of your zone, and then you take it from the breakout to until that's where the TP will be. So from the top of your zone until the end of your zone, and then you put it from where the breakout happened, and then that's going to be your TP. So our TP will be here. So you see it's next to the line that we drew there. I just put another line here, and then let's see where this zone is at if we go back to the higher time frame. I just want to see where this zone is at because it might be important because I know that always Always when we break out, we see a TP hit. So, but yeah, we don't see any rejections on this TP level, guys. But look at where the TP is. Is it a coincidence, or is my analysis on point, or is my analysis super? We've got a trend line here hitting our resistance. One, two. The third resistance that is going to be hidden is on our TP. So remember, I said the three the three bounces is a 90% rule. So any 90% rule, we expecting a reversal there. So meaning when we hit our TP here with our small cell, we're gonna be seeing a rejection to the upside now. So I'm expecting this to go down and then go up here. So this is my analysis at the moment. So we're going to be seeing the TP hitting here, and then from here it's a rejection of a 90% rule. We're going to be going up from here, which is three touches, and the TP for these three touches is up there. It's going to be the third touch as well. One, two, third touch. We can count this as a touch again because, but it didn't reach it there. But yeah, it's there. One, two, three, and then here if we see a breakout, we're going to push furthermore to the top side. All right, guys. So we were on H4. This is what we saw. I mean, we can even break it down to the lower side and see uh, other opportunities that we can see. So let me go to the H1 time frame and see. Guys, do you see this is a very, very nice trade? We're seeing a sell here. I'm going to be taking a sell right now on this trade. So from here, I can still see another connections here. I can connect it like this from here in case you want to see more confirmations, guys. So this is a confirmation again that this thing is a sell. We touched one, we touched twice, we touched the third time. And the third time, remember, it's a what is a 90% rule. We scroll them down, guys. Look at it. Instead of coming to this level and go down with the zone and respect the zone, it went down because of the resistance. So let's go to the downside and see how it is. Where is this coming from? I took it. Okay, let's use this. Guys, I hope you guys are following and you like the video. If you like the content, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to this channel for more. So yeah, guys, this is basically what I have. Do you see we're also having a falling wedge on a smaller time frame? So we've been seeing it going from down, hit this resistance, went up, hit the support, came back down. So right now, remember our TP is here. So let me tell you something about this TP right now. It's gonna be breaking out from the small falling wedge inside this trend. When we broke out from the small falling wedge and then come back inside here and start trading above this zone here, about this line. This is where you can start putting in your buys, guys. This is where you can put in your buys because the biggest setup that I like is when you break out the trend line and then come back within it, and then we expect a huge buy here. So this is what's going to be happening with NFP, guys. Once we see something like this inside this box, and then we see something like this, we are playing above this line. We're going to be don't forget, guys, look at the lines here. The price target is around 28143. So look at this zone, guys, if you don't want to sell here. But what I'm telling you right now is that we're going to be seeing a huge buy on NFP day. Take my word for it. Take my word for it. So NFP comes 2:30, 7th of October. We're going to be seeing a huge buy on US30. So this is my analysis. I can even go further down just to analyze it more because this is a breakout. This is what I'm seeing. Um, if you want me to go down to one more 30 minutes chart, remember I'm analyzing this for your NFP, guys. So for now, we're still seeing a sell, guys. We're still seeing a sell because of a breakout here. It broke out, came back and retested. Now we're expecting it to go down to come to our TP. Once it hits our TP, Remember, our TP is sitting straight on our trend line for 90% rule. So yeah, guys, this is analysis for US30. Um, let me see. What's the time? What's the time? Can I jump into NASDAQ as well? Let me know in the comment section if you want me to dive in deep to NASDAQ. And yeah, let's see how it goes on the 7th of October. I'll see you on another video. Bye bye.